green, yellow, blue, and red. Alright, good job, Poppy. One more time. Now that's just the practice round. This time we're gonna do it a little bit harder. Let's start with the red one. Now that's too easy, right? Alright, stop, Mr. Casino. Let's switch and go to the green one next, shall we? Okay, let's switch. Alright, last one. Yellow. Okay, hand for Poppy here. Our green unicorn. Thank you, Poppy. Now please welcome our second green unicorn. The name is Jody. Hello, Jody. Now this is Jody. For Jody, we are going to test his eyesight. What we have here is 3 empty bowls and a wooden dice. Okay, Jody, can you come to the front first? Alright, good job. Now can you show them the bowls? First one, second one, third empty bowl, and our wooden dice. Now we're going to hide the dice in one of the empty bowls, and Jody's going to try and find it. Okay, Mr. Caillou? Jody, look at the dice. Jody, come on, look at it. Okay, now where is it?
It's in the one on the right.
Alright, good job. Now we're going to do this one more time, but this time I'm going to ask Mr. Caillou to shuffle it a little faster. Okay, Mr. Caillou? Now Jody, look at the dice. Okay, look at it. Concentrate.